Welcome to Sanders. So I'm about to show you 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a loft and a popka in the $600,000 price range. Let's take a look. Ceilings. Welcome to the Sanders Sold This. Welcome to Sanders Sold This, where dream homes come true. I'm your host, LaDarrius Sanders. I can't wait to take you on a tour to show you what $649,000 could buy you. We're about to tour a 2,837 square foot home. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft with a 3-car garage. That's a lot of threes. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's go take a look. Nice, spacious, open area, which could serve as a sitting area or an office or a separate den. Real hardwood stairs with the matching laminate floors, which sometimes is difficult to match that transition, but they did a great job of transitioning. Beautiful. Open concept. We have the glass, tempered glass for the pantry. Spacious pantry. This home is located in Apopka, Florida. Beautiful pendulum lights. We have KitchenAid appliances that come with this home. Nicely done tile. The built-in KitchenAid cooktop, along with KitchenAid microwave, oven, and dishwasher, same brand. We've got the cooler sunken sink with the custom faucet. Beautiful. The cabinet, we call this a buckwood cabinetry. You can definitely have a nice built-in bar situation that could be there, butler's bar. We also, on the other side of this island, features reverse. You have the cabinets for storage on the other side. Nice quartz countertops. Even at the top of the cabinets, you have the crown molding all around. Nice to put some Christmas decor up there when it's Christmas time. We have these light fixtures come with the home. Recess lighting throughout the home. Knock down, no popcorn because it's new construction. Nice spacious backyard. Here in the back of the home, you have a covered lanai. Notice there's gas plugged here, and the reason why gas is important because you can build an outdoor kitchen. Put a bar here for the outdoor kitchen. Features double sliders along with the screen. This gives you the ability to enjoy the Florida air without the bugs by utilizing the screen. This is a very nice open living room area here. We have the piping so you can mount a television while having a bottom entertainment without seeing the wires and cords in between. That's very nice and modern. Very tall ceilings. Have 10-foot ceilings in here. Actually, those are 10 and a half. Nice black frame with the black faucets. This was thought through because here, you don't have to get wet when your shower is over there. With the matching black handles, they thought it through. Hi, who's that guy? All right, and bedroom number 1. Oh yeah, nice walk-in closet. I guess you call it a step-in. Walk in, step in. It's a spacious, it's either a very spacious step-in or a small walk-through. And this way, here you have a closet, nice coat closet there. Here you have a mudroom area. So this is where you can build out whatever you want to do. Put some board bat in here, nice wallpaper, hang your book bags, your golf clubs, etc. And beautiful epoxy floors for this 3-car garage situation. Definitely a good thing. And it has this extra space here to build that workbench, that storage that you would like to have for those Christmas decorations. But the adjoining garage with smart features as well, so that you can automate your garage lift system. Speaking of automation, you have the IQ with the home security system here, as well as the carrier smart thermostat as well. Let's go up these beautiful flight of stairs. Nice espresso wood banisters, tall ceilings. Oh, there's a beautiful loft mentioned to you with beautiful views. That's a nice car. Beautiful, beautiful night. Look at that sky. Florida skies. A storm's coming. Oh, still looks spectacular from here. Amazing views. You've got to move to Florida, and you got to come see me so I can help you get a house. Here we have a linen closet. Yep. And we have some nice soft carpet here. In this area, we have the sliding closets. Not quite sure why there's a screen here, but we have the slider doors here. The closet. All right. And we have a bathroom, another bathroom. This is a big bathroom here. Comes with, we've got the tile from the bottom all the way up to the ceiling. Black faucets. They even did the detail, attention to detail, black on the toilet. That's pretty cool. Very long vanity. I mean, they could have did a triple sink here. Plenty of space. Look at that, soft close, watch. Boom, soft close on every drawer. Nice, spacious, good plumbing. Keeping it simple. Nice tile on the floor as well. You gotta appreciate the thought process here. Electric toothbrushes, etc. You know, having that was a good thought process in the back of that tile. And laundry room, that's right, upstairs laundry with the built-in sink. How often do you have to clean sneakers or scrub out any potential stains and you need to have a sink where you can rinse it? Who wants to run and track water throughout the house to do so? You can take care of it all right here, and you have the appliances for the Whirlpool, washer and dryer there, and you have your closet here for all your networking. This is where all your internet, Wi-Fi, your cats, cat 4, cat 5, I forgot what cat they're on now, but lots of cats. And upstairs thermostat, that's right, upstairs thermostat and a downstairs thermostat. I'm gonna tell you, that's needed, because if someone's upstairs and they want a different temperature than downstairs, it's amazing when you can regulate different from these 2 different handlers. That's right, upstairs and downstairs, 2 different AC units. So you can regulate 2 totally different temperatures in the house, which is a blessing. Soft carpet as well, nice paddock. Nice paddock. Look at this, so airy. These windows flood in natural light. Don't have to have any lights turned on in the daytime. Just open your windows. Once again, we have a plug up top and bottom for a television situation. You can even make this a movie theater if you wanted to, if you don't want to make it a bedroom, but I wouldn't advise it because this is a beautiful master. And look at this master. Look at these faucets. Woo! Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. Frameless glass. Look at that style. Chevron tile pattern. Beautiful. Hexagon on the floor. Beautiful. Look at that drain. Custom. Even the niche. This is the niche where you can put your soap and everything else. But you gotta love that. And it's ambidextrous. So you have an ambidextrous glass swinging door. Nice hinge. In addition to a very deep linen closet where not only should you put towels, you can put your sheets and your bedding in there. And the master closet, here we are, a massive walk-in closet. That's gotta be at least 10 feet. If I had to guess, that's more than 10 feet. That's probably 11 feet by 7 feet if I had to just guess without measuring tape. But this is indeed the third bedroom, which is the upstairs master bedroom that has the panoramic views, looking at those beautiful Florida skies. And again, this is located in Apopka, Florida. My name is LaDarrius Sanders from Sanders Sold This, where dream homes come true. By all means, like, comment, subscribe. If you want more information on this home or homes like this, more videos like this, share with as many people as you can. Helps the algorithm, all those things you're supposed to say at the end of a video. I just want to add value as much as possible. Reach out to me. Come see me. Use my email. And Toll Brothers is the name of the building, but please see me before you go see a Toll Brothers rep. I'm telling you, you got to see me first, because if you go into a design studio to see the Toll Brothers people before you see me, then I can't help you. So I want to be able to help you. So let's let me do the introduction to you and any new construction builder. If you want to upgrade your home, if you want to move your first home, you're coming from out of town, it doesn't matter. Investment properties, again, I can help you find the home of your dreams. Yeah. What else am I supposed to say? That's it. Have a blessed day.